Do you know how to make mini hot dogs? Well, if you don't, then I'll teach you. This is what you need. You need 4 mini hot dogs and a toaster oven. 4 or more mini hot dogs and a toaster oven. Next, you take the mini hot dogs out of the freezer. Then, you put the mini hot dogs in the toaster oven and then put them on halfway. Out when you hear the ding. Touch the middle to see if they're done. That's how you make mini hot dogs. I hope you can do it yourself.